Shut up. Alright.
He was like, go get you a drink. You better choke, ain't it?
No!
No!
No! Shut up!
You quit recording me. Quit recording me. Dude, you got chocolate all up in your teeth and shit.
I'm gonna go in there by. Hey.
Man, I got gum teeth.
I suffer from gingivitis.
I suffer from gingivitis. Severe gingivitis.
My tooth is about to... Oh, God! My tooth fell out. You better crap a break.
Take that shit out from me.
This is going on YouTube. Part 2.
Okay.
I started part 2.
I'm gonna go get a drink for real. Come in there with me. I'm walking there with a cookie and be like, "You want a cookie?" I'm getting a drink. I'm like, "Hey, you want a cookie?"
Alright, I got pissed. Come on.
Okay, I'm gonna take a cookie in there for real. Quit recording me, you dickweed.
Tell you anal wide.